Always me saving the impounded cars. Always me saving the impounded cars. Got a new one to the fleet. Mad. In the impound right now. Always me. Crystal clear footage, baby. Where we have it. A little operations day today. Don't mind me. She eating my calipo. But yeah, we got a little delivery coming down there. She's coming to bring me a little thing. I'm gonna show you what I go on. This one's getting a little progress. So we're gonna see what I go on. We've got a little delivery coming down there. She's coming to bring me a little thing. Boom. Got some new shoes. I'm gonna replace it. It's about time. Decent, but we're not gonna keep them with us, you know? Update on this one. Another 2 there. Alright. Back one's on. Looks decent. Does look decent. But we now gotta keep them on, yeah, so I ain't put the front one on yet, cause if you remember, if you're looking at it, need this drive shaft in there. Drop links connected. There's something underneath there when you swear out on the other side. It looks like it sits very low. Maybe because the wheel's not on yet anyway, but yeah, boy! Look what we got over here. Induction kits in there. And we got some red tops we're gonna slap in here as well. Didn't even see that there's one in here. Stay at that. Dreading to look at, see what them spark plugs look like. There's not even one in this one. Fuck you know, we need spark plugs, don't we? I'll tell you what, we'll just rest them in there for now, so we know that that's where they're gonna sit. Give them a little clean up as well. Need to bring the Hoover out here, man. That's what I want to do. Now, I need to go and order some spark plugs. Got that. Should, yeah. Oh, go on, we've got the jumper pack charging the line. It's only right. I'm gonna start this side and take this side off now. Got the 2 wheels lined up there. Got the trusty Halfords jack. We're gonna just take these ones off and get them on. Got the drive shaft there, all the other little bits there. And we've actually got a grill on order for that. So yeah, she's looking alright, man. So we got it all jacked up and that. I've taken out these bolts out of this one. State of that. And then I've come around here to take these bolts out. And there's only one in there. Well, no, I'm telling you, like, there's 2. I'm thinking, fuck it. No, how did that roll out of where it was? Look at the state of that, though. These ain't any better, but they're a bit better. They're off of an A4 and an A3. So we'll see how that's gonna look. Now, you could be asking me, where's my gun? Why am I not using the gun to take this out? And the answer for that question is, I sold my gun. Why did I sell my gun, you ask? Because the gun that I had, it was Makita. And all my tools now are DeWalt. So we've got a DeWalt, what do you call it? A DeWalt impact drill on all. Rah! Oh my days. I imagine that. Look, I'm taking off all of the bolts out of here, right? And look at that, look. That is actually the rim itself. That's the wheel. Look, that's the wheel. Big hole in there. Fucking hell. Is that really what's going on? That is crazy, look at that. Manual out there. Hopefully they both should just drop off. If it gets high enough. There you go. Back one's coming. Back one's off the ground. Front one's off the ground. State of that. So now I can see what's going on. Obviously this needs pulling out. Doesn't look too bad back there. It's gonna need brakes though. Now onto the front. Doesn't really look that bad. Here's that anyway, plastic thing. Bit better. Progress. That's nice. Everything's nice on there. I've got the AC pipe down there. It needs to be screwed on. There's this wheel. Where is it? Yeah, look. Woo! Wee! Wowee! That is mad. Hey! Madness. That is crazy. Hello. Look at this. Fuck you know. Obviously it's got a little bit of tape on there. What even is that? It's a bomb. It's getting there. It's alright for a little day's progress. I'm still waiting on some parts to come. But yeah, shabodom. Mad thing. She's getting there. I mean, she looked bad like that. Much better. Pile of doo-doo. So boom. We had these ones on there. I'm not really feeling the look of that. They don't really look that sturdy for this whip here that we're building. So, man's gone. And I've only brought some new ones. Yeah. Give them a nice little refurb. Got the Audi 18-inch rotors. Alright. Tires look cold on them already. There's no issues. And they're decent as well. So we're gonna just spend more time taking these shit wheels off now that he wants them back. Wasting my time. Yeah, he laugh, pussy off. Yeah. So just take off these wheels and give him back. Got new things now. Alright, see you later, mate. Alright, mate. There he is. There he is. Yeah, take your wheels back. Got bad boy wheels now. Even this car you brought off of me. You brought this car off of me, shut up. I put you on the map. I need to. I take these wheels to the scrapyard for me, bruv. These, all of them. All of them.
Give me something, fam. I'm hungry, bro.
Who's this guy? That look like your papa. I need to get these wheels off. Get these wheels on. Yeah. It's GTIs out here. That's how we do it. Bloody hell. And there's a state, mate. Absolute state. Well, I've managed to put the heating matrix in and a couple panels over there and a panel over here, and some screws have gone from over here, but we have got some parcels. We've got deliveries. So here we've got 2 windows and a mirror. This is the mirror. So I guess we can kind of start with putting a mirror on, innit? First is first. Why does this look so bent up though? Look, it's all missing a big chunk out of here. Let's see what we can do. It's alright. Found the missing bolt. Tack him back in nicely. Oh, he doesn't need to be tacked in yet. But boom shakalaka, baby. We've got a mirror now. So the progress is real. It's on there nice. Yeah, man. And we also fixed this little piece under here. It's sitting nice now, or a lot nicer than it was all buck up. If you rewind, you'll see, you'll remember. But yeah, let's sort out. I don't know if I'm gonna do the windows yet. I wanna really hoover it out. Don't know, let's do the wheels. Yeah, let's get the wheels off and sort that out. Wow. Yeah, rims is on. Looks much better than the other one did. Especially when I drop it, because it's on axle stands at the moment. The old Specsavers over there. Jeez. Yeah. I'll refurb them at a later date. But yeah, that's it. He can take his shit wheels back. Yeah, man, this looks better anyway. Rotors, an Audi too. Strong, tough. So what we're gonna do now is to sort out these windows, man. They need to be sorted out. So you know what it is, you know what time it is. We've been doing a lot, you know. Let's see in the inside. So we fixed all of this. We've got mirror on. All of this is fixed. We've got both spare windows now to be fixed. In here looking like a bit more like a car. We'll get a stereo soon. All the panels is in. This is gonna change. We're gonna get some heated seats. Got the seats to go in here now. The whole back section's in. Obviously, rocking the string vest. Come on. R.I.P. Nanny, other R.I.P. Granddad. It's looking decent. We've got the rotors on there. Sitting buff. Door cards. Bumper. Windows. Boots clear. Got the old bits and bobs out here. Got these seats out. So we took them out of this one. We're going to put them into this one. And take these seats out of that one. And put them into this one. Right, you know, it's an Audi day, you know, dogs. GTI Shubob. Whoop. Yeah, outside we've got GTIs everywhere. Yeah, boom. Let's look over here. And we got my killie. Walk on, cuz. Big up, big up. Induction kit, spark plugs, ignition coils. What else? Yeah. booked these wheels yet. It's not serious. I might have to sell them. Anybody want some rims? Rims are going cheap. This one's cold though. Loving the Sirocco rims. DSG. Personal plate. Grill looks bad. Do need that grill. Give me the grill now. Huh? Give me the grill now. The one there, sir.
You lick your head, sir. Man, I get tired.
Rascal, you must have licked me head, yes. First tick over. She's running. Give her a little first tick over, you see me? Running nice. Petrol in it as well. What? Do the wheel of shame.
Wow, you do fuck me.
Do the wheel of shame. I've got these seats over here. It's the ones that was in the car. They're the ones that should go in the car. So we just switch them out. This one's got the cloth. Start taking them. Alright. Just gonna screw down these ones, but I've got the levers back in the machine. And we've got them ones there, clothy cloths. I'm just gonna drop them back into this one. They actually look alright, you know. I like them still. Drop that one back in. Shade up still one down there, do that drive shaft. Over there, front bumper soon ready to go on. Progress. So yeah, it's looking like this. We got S3 brakes on there now. Front bumpers on. We're gonna spray it black, but we're gonna get the black grille. Yeah, just gotta get a bracket for this side here. Look at it like this, it looks alright still. It's gonna look lower when we drop it down. I sprayed the panel with some matte black just to blend it in so it don't look so in your face. You get me? But it came out alright though. Look at that, it looks alright. Can't complain. Can't complain still. I'm gonna do the windows when I can be bothered, man. I ain't had really much chance today to do the windows. Seats is in. S-line leather specs, matches the door card. It's all levers. It's the driver door there. So yeah, we're gonna put that front panels on once we sort the windows out. That's another video. We've got heated seats now in the DSG. Just need to sort out a radio for it. Get some air vents for this. The windows back there.
Bomber cloud, scrapyard.
Watch him now. Behind you, too. Yeah. Soon pattern up and fix the door lock. Got the mirror. Yeah, man. Got the new plates. So we're gonna put the new plates on there. It's looking good.